So we're here live at the Quinlan Flea Market, doing a little Will and Dylan. Let's see what we can find.
No, backpack.
You're my new best friend.
For this, I'd call it a pie safe. Back in the day when ladies would make pies, they'd set them in there to cool, and that would keep the flies off of them. Yeah.
Now women nowadays don't even want to cook.
If they,
Can't you get yourself a good woman nowadays?
if they got a pie, it came out as free.
Yeah. I'm thinking about taking this off and this off, put the chicken wire and make it to a liquor rack.
Oh, there you go. You take this.
So we just got back from the flea market in Quinlan. I picked up this nice hutch here. The guy was asking 25. I worked my way down to 20. As you can see, it's got a couple of shelves in it. It has some cheap screen in here. I'm gonna rip that out. I'm gonna take off this metal sign that they have on here, put some chicken wire. I'm gonna turn this thing into a nice liquor rack.
Jared and I got some peanuts for $1 a piece, which is always awesome. And then I got these for 50 cents a piece. I'm just going to clean them up real nice and have them for butchering animals.
So I got this for $1. We're gonna use it for maybe some cacti or some plants. I got a cute little candle holder that has a cat, laughing cat. And then I scored this for $1. Nice little cute crop top jean jacket, a little retro. And then I got a nice, a cute little shirt that I can wear around the yard, just working, something I can get dirty, but it's cute and comfortable for $1.
So a good tip, if you're refinishing furniture and stuff like that, you don't want to always buy rags, so what you can do is just get old socks. And we found that they're everywhere, you're always missing one, so why not use the other? And you can use it to wipe down or stain, whatever you need to do.
Here's the final product. It took me about an hour to complete this. I had some stain left over from building supplies. It's a dark walnut, I believe. I also had some extra chicken wire out in the barn. So the total cost was $20 to have this in my house.
So we ate a bunch of our peanuts while we were building, and we're gonna see what they like more, peanut shells or carrots.
today's flea market finds. If you like this video, feel free to give us a thumbs up, give us a like on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and keep an eye out on YouTube. We will be vlogging more often.
The Crocker Homestead is coming for you.